Up next, meet the Xiaomi 12T Pro, the budget flagship smartphone that's taking the world by storm in 2023. The Xiaomi phone is one of the best devices on the market with a special focus on camera power that sets it apart from other smartphones. The 12T Pro boasts a 200-megapixel main camera based on Samsung's powerful so-called HP1 sensor. The sensor features an f1.69 aperture phase detection, autofocus, and optimal image stabilization. The camera delivers 16 to 1 pixel winning in a range of solutions, offering clear and detailed photos that range from 12.5 megapixel with 2.56 OHM pixel pitch up to 50 megapixel photos, 1.2 pixels or natively at 200 megapixels, 0.64 ohm pixel to meet all your needs. Along with the camera, the 12T Pro features a premium 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate at a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, giving you a high-quality viewing experience. The screen is Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus certified and boasts a higher than usual 446 ppi. The device also features Harman Kardon tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support and a large 5000 mAh battery with 120-volt hypercharge. The device comes with everything you need to get started, including a 120-volt hypercharge charger, a USB Type-A, Type-C charging cable with a transparent TPU case to protect your phone. The Xiaomi 12T Pro uses a 200-megapixel sensor, making it the second smartphone in the West use such as high-resolution sensor after the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset powers the device, offering you a powerful phone that's perfect for gaming. With 256GB of storage, you will all the plenty of space for all the apps, photos, videos. The Xiaomi 12T Pro has an IP53 rating for its protection against fine particles and water splashes, making it durable, but it will not survive immersion in liquid or dust. The phone runs on an updated version of MIUI, which is now more user-friendly. The display of the Xiaomi 12T Pro is an OLED panel with a resolution of 1220 by 2712, making it slightly higher than the 11T Pro resolution. The camera uses pixel binning to combine pixels and create more vivid images. The device is made of plastic to provide durability and keep cost low. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 12T Pro is an exceptional smartphone packed with features that make it stand out from other devices. It's a great budget flagship option for buyers who want the best camera experience, high-quality display, battery life, and this device you can enjoy excellent gaming performance, high-resolution photos and videos, and user-friendly MIUI interface, all within durable, affordable package. Try the Xiaomi 12T Pro today and experience the power of this amazing device.